Here are 10 wise pieces of advice to build wealth quickly while maintaining integrity and sustainability. 1. Invest in yourself. Enhance your skills through education and training. The more valuable you are, the more you can earn. 2. Identify market needs. Research and identify gaps in the market. Offer solutions that address these needs, whether through products or services. 3. Start a side hustle. Utilize your skills or hobbies to create additional income streams. Freelancing or selling online can generate extra cash quickly. 4. Network strategically. Build relationships with influential people in your industry. Networking can lead to new opportunities and partnerships. 5. Leverage passive income. Invest in assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, or peer-to-peer lending. 6. Live below your means. Keep your expenses low while your income grows. This allows you to save and invest more effectively. 7. Avoid high-interest debt. Steer clear of credit card debt and high-interest loans. Focus on building credit and financial stability instead. 8. Invest wisely. Research and invest in stocks, real estate, or other opportunities with high growth potential. Diversify to minimize risk. 9. Stay disciplined. Stick to your financial goals and budgets. Consistency is key to accumulating wealth over time. 10. Learn from failures. Embrace setbacks as learning experiences. Analyze what went wrong and adjust your strategy to improve future outcomes. Following these guidelines can help you build wealth wisely and sustainably.